Artificial intelligence will take my job in the next 5 years, just like Blockbuster went bankrupt because they didn't embrace streaming. This is the fear all content creators have as technology continues to advance. Hey, welcome to AI Beyond Borders. We'll show you how AI is meant to be used. What if we stopped fearing AI and embraced it as a secret weapon? Maybe it can help us save time and hence our creativity and push the boundaries of what is possible. We can't wait to show you the latest AI tool. It's pretty insane. Let's get started. First on our list, and probably the most scary one at the moment, is ChatGPT, a conversational AI system that listens, learns, and challenges. You can ask it anything, and it will provide you with a result. It can do so much that many of our jobs are probably at risk, but let's look at it differently. Maybe it can help you in your creative process, like you can ask it to write a horror short movie script or anything you like. Now, we are not saying you have to copy it word by word, but you can use it as a basis, a starting block. The AI knows how to structure a good story, but it still needs a creative touch so it resonates with humans. It could replace technical tasks. Now, if you often need to downscale your projects due to tight deadlines, because repetitive tasks keep you from creating your best work, and this is actually one of the main reasons you need to start using AI. You can save so much time while you remain the sensei over the rest of the design. That's right, you are already using AI in your workflow without even knowing it. Adobe's AI can be found in many of its tools. Think about the neural filters of Photoshop, the objects-like tool Premiere Pro has, scene edit detection, and the other reframes. You can filter out repetitive tasks like painting away a car with the content-aware fill tool. Now, besides making our lives easier, Adobe also helps us correct big mistakes. Let's say you accidentally recorded some very bad audio. Well, no need to record it again. With Adobe Audition, you can remove noise and make it sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Now, don't run away when you hear Adobe, because with AI Runway, you get a lot of the same features like rotoscoping, tracking, painting, and much more, all within a click. And something that is really amazing is their super slow motion. Feed them a clip and slow it down, then generate the in-between frames, and voila, you have a slow motion clip. However, all praise aside, AI-generated results aren't always that great. Each tool has its limitations, and most of the time you can feel it's not real. But that doesn't mean you should ignore it. Maybe in 5 years it will be more perfect and ready to take over some jobs, but for now it's a raw product that needs refinement, just like SoundRaw refines your video with music. You don't need to be a Mozart to create a custom song. You tell the AI what kind of song you're looking for, and it makes you something out of thin air. And personally, this is one of the scarier parts of AI, how it can generate realistic stuff and moments out of nothing. Do your skills even matter? Well, yes. You just have to use AI to help you on your journey to improve yourself and your work. Everybody knows Midjourney and DALL-E. With a single prompt, you can let them generate images of whatever you want. Actually, you haven't got the slightest idea of how impactful this is for creators. For instance, everyone can generate something if they have an idea. No technical skill is required, and then you can make money from it by selling that art through Wirestock. So that is how to become filthy rich. Wirestock is the easiest way to sell photos, vectors, and videos online. So, besides AI-generated art, you can also sell your own stock clips, motion design footage, or whatever you create or have lying around. How does it work, you wonder? Just upload all your work to Wirestock through the easy submission, and they do all the rest. They give high-quality keywording and captioning. Next, they distribute them for sale on all the major marketplaces like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, and many more, but they also provide a high royalty rate and discoverability. They only charge 15% of the base royalties when you sell something, so you don't need to invest up front, and thus, you have no excuse not to start selling right away. Everybody has some photos and videos lying around, or you can just go make them. Take out your camera or smartphone and capture the environment. So next time when you go walking, film some trees, some bugs, or whatever you want. Make some money with Wirestock. Back to Midjourney and its impact on its creators. You have to prompt your idea and see how Midjourney thinks about it. Then use those results as an inspiration to enhance your creativity. You can even say goodbye to your editor because there's already an AI that can automatically cut clips. Just look at Adobe Scene Edit Detection. Okay, this is a pretty limited tool, but it's wise to embrace it in your workflow. Just like WiseCut, an AI that can remove all the silences from speech, something that helps a lot for presentations. However, it doesn't recognize repeated parts and mistakes. Therefore, there's still some work to do. You can now use all the time it just saves to create some beautiful B-roll. But what if we told you that shooting a B-roll isn't necessary anymore? Well, imagine you can use every photo to make a video with the AI Make a Video from Meta. You can actually do this. Every photo can be brought to life, a real game changer for the B-roll in your content. Everybody knows deepfake and how good it's getting. Something truly scary and dangerous is audio deepfaking. Anybody's voice can be reconstructed and used to say basically anything. But this doesn't need to be a dangerous tool. We can use such tools to write a script just like this script. It would be perfect for our presentations. This is a text-to-speech tool. You can feed the AI your own voice and let them train. After a while, it can say any text with your own beautiful voice. A tool you can use if you don't need to be on screen. Like for short-form videos, you can always stack them with a B-roll and you only hear your voice. Therefore, with your voice AI, you can instantly generate the voiceover. But we can take this further, really further. You could use the text-to-speech AI to create a whole video out of it. Have your own AI narrate the story and create an entire video with AI. That would be insane. So imagine you use all these AI tools to create something unimaginable. Now, what if you could put all that creativity to work and make money out of it? Imagine a world where your creative content is turned into cash. That's exactly what Artlist can do for you. They provide you with a vast library of high-quality music, sound effects, and even footage, all cleared for commercial use. And guess what? You can earn money by referring new members to Artlist. They have an affiliate program that pays a generous commission for every new subscriber you bring in. So if you're already creating content and using their music, why not earn some extra money by sharing the love and recommending Artlist to others? Plus, they have a great community and resources to help you grow as a creator. Alright folks, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI and how it can be used to enhance our creativity and save time. Don't fear AI, embrace it and make it your secret weapon. And remember, your creativity and skills will always be the key to creating truly amazing content. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.